The use of number line is integral for students to understand concepts. The website you may want to visit is called the mathlearningcenter.org. Look for the apps. Scroll down, find the number line, click it open. You will find certain options. Select the one that says Open Web App. This video is an introduction on how to use the app number line in the website Math Learning Center. The one on the bottom, which looks like a gear, you can toggle it back and forth. Click this open and you will see these line settings: whole numbers, fractions, decimals, no numbers, or no ticks. Once you toggle the whole number, you are going to find these pre-customized settings. The fractions, you have these options. Decimals, the same. On the bottom, you will find some spacing. You can choose to have as narrow or as wide as you choose to have it. You can also set your number line to begin at a specific number. Rather than begin at a 0, you can set the number line to say start at a 5. Click OK and done. The next icon is your jump. Click it once and you will see the jump. You can extend it and you can duplicate it. You can reveal the number by clicking the next icon, which says Jump Labels. The icon that says Line Masking is set to cover the numbers on the number line. As a teacher, you might want to reveal certain numbers and have the kids complete the other numbers. The icon that says plus, minus, multiply, divide, what looks like a calculator, you can actually have the kids write an equation or type in a sentence. If you need to clear this layout and start again, click the reset, clear all. And once again, you might want to start with the line settings. And in this case, if you want to go to fractions, you can choose to set this up to be as a fourth. White spacing, you can say, I want my number line to begin with a 0. Okay, done. Once again, go for the jump, extend it. Now you can choose to have another jump wherein you want to say, I want the kids to see the unit jumps that makes up this total jump. It's a great tool for students to understand the depth of the concept you are helping them understand. Let's do one last thing. Clear all. Teachers, if you teach middle school or high school and you have students who are struggling with integers, you may want to use the whole numbers, select it, and set the number line in this case to be as a -7. Click OK. Now you can see the number line is set to be as negative numbers and positive numbers. Once again, the number line comes in handy. You can use the jump and another jump. And you can talk about addition of integers. Or you can choose to have it this way. And you can reverse it to say, from here to here, what will that be? To share this layout with your students, click the second from the last icon. Wait for a few seconds and copy this link and share it directly with your students in the Google Classroom. Have fun!